Hey everyone, if you are watching me for the first time, then I'm Sana and you are watching Sana Work. This video is about recreation of my own look which I have recently created on my friend's function, that is a housewarming function. So in that function, many of them told your base was looking awesome, very neat and clean. So I decided to recreate that look for you guys, and on that day I kept a very minimum product on my face. So yeah, if you want to know how I created that look, let's keep on watching. So come to the point, this is my actual face. This is how my face looks without any product. I didn't apply any of the moisturizer or serum, anything. This is my actual face. So yeah, let's start with moisturizer. For moisturizer here I'm using my recent favorite. I'm using in all my videos. This is a Re-Equal Ceramide and Hyaluronic Acid. I will recommend this moisturizer for all skin type. I recently applying this cream as my makeup base. This cream gives a flawless look, and yeah, this is a summer season. I just want my makeup to stay longer, so I'm using this silicone based primer. This is from the Nykaa Premier Primer. So you all know I have used a lot this primer in my many videos. So yeah, this is an optional step. If you want to use primer means you can. As it is my previous video, I usually do a color corrector. Without color corrector, my makeup turns ashy within a few hours. So I'm using a very slightly this orange collector on my pigmented area, which you can see on my face now. So my skin is oily, so I usually prefer this matte liquid orange corrector. Now moving on to foundation. For foundation, this is my evergreen favorite foundation. You all know this is from the brand Maybelline Fit Me, and my shade is 330 Spicy Brown, and using this new sponge. Not a new, I have used many times. My all-time favorite and my go-to foundation. If I want quick makeup and I want a perfect look, then I usually prefer this foundation only. And you can see my face after foundation application. Actually, I didn't use any filter, anything on my video. This is an actual video which I shooted in my camera. So this is how my face looks before and after the foundations or makeup. And now I'm going to set this foundation with loose powder. This is the Stay Quirky loose powder and it has a yellow tint. If you use more yellow tint powder, your face looks more warmer, and this is a matte one. So I prefer to keep very low, so I'm just applying this loose powder with my brush. I don't want to apply with a beauty blender. I'm going to draw a wing liner with Eyeconic, Lakme Eyeconic. Actually, for the functions or any occasions, nowadays I'm preferring this eyeliner because it gives a jet black in color. For mascara here I'm using L'Oreal Lash Paradise. It gives a super voluminous curly lashes. If you don't want to apply a fake lashes, then means falsy lashes, then you can use this mascara. For kajal here I'm using a I Amsterdam kajal. They are giving a very nice quality product in the 100 rupees, so that is very good. I'm just applying a minimum blush. For lips here I'm using a lip liner. This is from the local store, but it stays very longer. So for lipstick today I'm going to use this Lakme 925 Weightless. At last, I just spritted some fixing spray. This is from the L'Oreal brand. This is in matte finish. This is my overall makeup look after I completed my look with a stone bindi. So yeah, this is my overall look. Hope you like it. So you can also try this look by your own. And this is my Instagram handle. Let's meet you on another video. Bye bye. Take care. See you soon.